In this video, I'll show you how to hook up an antenna to your LG TV. Step 1. Plug in the antenna. Insert the coaxial cable from your antenna into the antenna in port at the back of your LG TV. Make sure it is securely connected. Step 2. Select TV input. Use the remote to press the input or source button. Select TV from the list of sources. Step 3. Scan for channels. Press the settings or menu button on your remote. Go to Channels or Tuning section. Select Auto Tuning or Auto Program to scan for available channels. Wait for the scan to finish. Step 4. Watch and fine-tune signal. Once done, start watching local channels. For better reception, try repositioning your antenna if needed. And that is how you hook up an antenna to your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.